Hello guys, my name is Felipe and I'm gonna show you how to make PowerShell talk. This is my first video on PowerShell Hints series. PowerShell is a .NET Core language. Why do I say that? Because if you read the documentation shown right here, you are going to see that PowerShell is built on top of .NET Framework, so it can use .NET resources, including those capable of making it talk. To make PowerShell talk, first we need to understand that PowerShell can use .NET classes, as I said in the last slide. The class we must use in this case is a speech synthesizer. The assembly for this class, as written in the documentation, is the system.speech. So let's start. To be able to make this happen, we need to add to PowerShell speech synthesizer class. It's quite simple to do that. You must use add type commandlet. So it ends up that the first line of the code starts with add type, assembly name, system.speech. In this case, we are adding the system.speech to this section of PowerShell. In the second line of code, we must instantiate the speech synthesizer class, and we do this by assigning this value over here to a variable where we're gonna use it later. Then you just need to call the speak method. Putting all together, here we start with the first line of the code. Then we go to instantiate the class and simply speak. Here is in my language, Portuguese. It's the same as Hello Felipe. It's also possible to speak in another language if it's installed in your system. You can give the following commandlet to see which language can you use. You must use it through the name here.